Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning. How are you? How are you guys? How are you today? Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you scared? Are you angry? As for me, I'm so happy today because I'm here with you today. My name is Teacher Alice, and what is your name? What is your name? Pardon? What is your name? Very good. Okay, so first of all, let's make sure that your hearing aids are on. Mine's are on and yours? Are your ears on? Excellent. Make sure that your looking eyes are on. Are your eyes on? Can you see well? Excellent. Let's start. In today's video, we will talk about day of the week. We'll learn a new number, a letter. We will talk about the weather and we will sing a new song. I'm so excited. Are you excited? I'm very excited. So let's start. Let's start with days of the week. Can you tell me what day it's today? Today is Monday. Repeat with me. Monday. Yesterday it was Sunday. Sunday. And after Sunday it's Monday. So today is Monday. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Today is Monday all day long. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Today is Monday all day long. Yippee! Today is Monday. Let's say the sentence all together. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Can you spell it? Can you? Let's spell together. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Monday. Today is Monday. And now let's sing the days of the week song. Do you know the day of the week song? If you don't worry. If you can't sing or if you don't want to sing it, just clap your hands. Let's start. There is Sunday and then Monday. There is Tuesday and then Wednesday. There is Thursday and then Friday. And there is Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Yeah, well done. Let's sing it again. There is Sunday and then Monday. There is Tuesday and then Wednesday. There is Thursday and then Friday. And there is Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Well done. Thank you very much for singing with me. Thank you very much for singing and clapping. Let's move on, and today we will learn a new number. The number of the week is 1. 1. Let's spell it. O-N-E. 1. 1. How many balls can you see? I can see 1 ball. How many cars can you see? I can see 1 car. How many dolls can you see? I can see 1 doll. How many girls can you see? I can see One girl. How many boys can you see? I can see one boy. Excellent. One. The number is one. One ball, one car, one doll, one girl, one boy. The number is one. Excellent. Now let's move on, and today we will learn one new letter. What's today's letter? The letter is A. Repeat all together. A. 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 Let's see some words with letter A. Apple. One apple. Repeat after me. Apple. One apple. Ambulance. One ambulance. Repeat after me. Ambulance. One ambulance. Ant. One ant. Ant. One ant. Airplane. One airplane. Airplane. One airplane. Arm. One arm. Arm. One arm. Well done! So today we have learned 5 words with letter A. Apple, ambulance, ant, airplane, and arm. Repeat all together. Apple, ambulance, ant, airplane, and arm. Well done! So today's letter is A. A. Excellent! The letter is A. Now let's move on, and next stop is the weather. We will talk about the weather. Did you look outside? Did you look through your window? What is the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it raining? Is it windy? Ooh. Or is it snowing? Is it cloudy? What is the weather today? And the weather is sunny. Today is sunny. It's sunny. Is it raining today? No, it isn't. Is it snowing today? No, it isn't. Is it cloudy today? No, it isn't. Is it windy today? No, it isn't. It's sunny. Sunny. It's sunny weather today. It's sunny. Well done, you guys. Well done. I'm so glad you've done so great job. I thank you so much. Okay, in this part of our video, we will play games or sing songs. So today, I would like to sing a new song with you, and it's ABC song. I think you will enjoy it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABC. Next time you can sing with me. Now let's try to sing it together. Try to sing with me. Come on. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABC. Next time you can sing with me. Well done, guys. Well done. Congratulations. You did so great job today. I hope you had fun with me. It's for English for fun, and I will see you next time. Have a nice day today, and bye bye.